Hey everyone! Today we have a super quick tutorial on how to check graphics cards on Windows 11 or Windows 10. It's quick and easy, let's get started. Method 1, Settings menu. Click the Start menu and go to Settings. Select System. Choose Display. Scroll down and click Advanced Display. Choose Display Adapter Properties. Under Adapter Type, you'll see your graphics card name and details like memory and chip type. Method 2, Device Manager. Click the search icon and type Device Manager. Open it and expand Display Adapters. Your graphics card will be listed here. If you have two, both will appear. This method is the same for Windows 10 and Windows 11, so no need to confuse. And that's it. 2 quick ways to check your graphics card on Windows 11 and 10. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.